Hello everyone, I am Joseph. Welcome to Joseph's Easy English.
If you are new here, please click that subscribe button and like this video.
We help you practice real everyday English.
Please, if you like learning with us, click that subscribe button and give this video a like. It helps us so much.
Yes, thank you. Today, we have a very special lesson. We are going to look at how to use technology to learn English, and then practice ordering a coffee in a cafe.
That sounds amazing, Joseph. I love coffee, and we have 30 hidden words today, right?
That is correct. We have 30 key words hidden in our story. Pay close attention. At the end, we will use our special 3D tech mind maps to help you remember them.
And stick around for the special song at the very end. It's so catchy.
Let's jump into the story. We will meet Ben and Lisa. They are at a quiet library, trying out a new English learning application.
Lisa, look at this.
What? What is it, Ben? Shh, we must be quiet.
I know, but look at my phone. Look at the screen.
Okay, I am looking. Your screen is very bright. It hurts my eyes a little bit. Can you turn down the brightness?
Sorry, let me fix the screen. Is that better?
Yes, that is better. So, what is it? What do you want to show me?
It is a new application. I found it this morning. It is an application for learning English.
An application? Really? Everyone has an app these days. Is this one good?
I think it is very good. It is simple. Look at the icon. It is blue and white.
I see it. So, how does it work? Show me.
Okay, first you have to open the application. See this button?
Which button? There are two buttons.
The big one, the green button in the middle of the screen.
Okay, I see the green button. Do I push it?
Yes, click the button, just one time.
Okay, I will click it. Tap. Nothing happened, Ben.
You have to click it harder. Maybe your finger was too light. Click the button again.
Okay, I am clicking it. Now, tap. Okay, the screen changed. Now it is white.
Good. Now the application wants to hear you. It uses your voice.
My voice? But Ben, we are in a library. I cannot use my voice. People are studying. They will be angry if I speak.
Don't worry, you can whisper. Just speak very softly. The phone can listen even if you whisper.
Are you sure? It can listen to a whisper?
Yes, trust me. Try it. The app wants you to say hello.
Okay, I will try. I will speak quietly. Hello.
I don't think it heard you. The app is not moving. You need to speak a little bit louder.
Okay, a little bit louder. Hello.
Shh, not that loud. But look at the screen.
Oh, look, it wrote the word hello. It did listen to me. That is amazing.
See, I told you. Now try a sentence. Speak a full sentence.
Okay, I like coffee.
Wait, look. It wrote, I like toffee. That is a mistake.
Oh no, a mistake. I said coffee, not toffee. Does the app know it is a mistake?
Yes, look at the red line. It marks the mistake. Now top the word correct.
Where is correct?
It is the small button at the bottom. It says autocorrect.
I see it. I will click correct. Wow, it changed toffee to coffee. It corrected me.
This application is smart. But Lisa, look at the top of the phone.
The top? Why?
You have a warning message. Your internet is slow.
My internet? Oh, I am using my data. The signal is bad in here.
You should use the Wi-Fi. The library has free Wi-Fi.
I know, but I always forget the password. Do you know the password?
Yes, I have the password right here. Let me check my settings.
Okay, I am opening my Wi-Fi settings. I see the network library_guest.
Click that. The password is readbooks2024.
Wait, slowly please. Read, is that big R or small r?
Big R, R-E-A-D. Then books, big B.
Okay, READBOOKS. And the numbers?
2024. 2024.
Okay, I typed the password. I will click join. It is spinning. It is connecting.
Is it connected?
Yes, the little Wi-Fi symbol is there. We have fast internet now.
Perfect. Now we have fast internet. We can practice more. Wait, Lisa,
What now?
look at your battery.
My battery? Oh no, it is red. It says 5%. My battery is dying.
Do you have a charger?
I think so. I usually have a charger in my bag. Let me look. I have a pen. I have a notebook. I have a bottle of water.
Keep looking. You need the charger.
I see a tangled wire. Is this it? No, these are my headphones. Where's my charger?
Check the small pocket, the front pocket of your bag.
Okay, checking the front pocket. Aha, I feel it. I found it. Here is my charger.
Good. Is it the right one?
Yes, it is the white cable. But wait, where is the plug? I see the cable, but I don't see the block.
Oh no. You have the wire, but not the plug?
No, wait, it is attached. Ideally, yes, it is here. I have the whole charger.
Great. There's a plug under the table. Can you reach it?
Let me try. I have to bend down. Okay, I am plugging it in. Click. Okay, it is charging.
Phew. That was close. The battery is safe.
Yes, the battery is charging. Now, Ben, since we're waiting for the phone to charge, let's practice speaking without the app.
Good idea. Let's do a role play.
A role play? Like acting?
Yes, let's pretend we are not in the library. Let's pretend we are at a cafe.
A cafe. I like that. I am actually a little bit hungry and thirsty.
Me too. Okay, I will be the waiter. You are the customer. You are sitting at this table.
Okay, I am sitting in my chair. I am ready. Hello, waiter.
Good afternoon, madam. Welcome to Ben's Cafe. Here's your menu.
Oh, thank you. This menu is very big.
Yes, we have many delicious things. Please look at the menu.
Let me look. I see drinks on the left and food on the right.
What would you like to order today?
I'm not sure. I need to check the price. Everything is expensive these days.
Our prices are very good. Look at the coffee.
How much is the coffee? I cannot see the price.
The price for coffee is $3.50.
$3.50? That is a fair price. Is the coffee hot or cold?
It is very hot, fresh coffee.
Okay, I will order 1 cup of hot coffee.
Excellent choice. Now, do you take anything in your coffee?
Yes, I like it sweet. Do you have sugar?
We have white sugar and brown sugar.
I would like white sugar, please. 2 spoons.
2 spoons of sugar, and what about milk?
Do you have fresh milk?
Yes, we have cold, fresh milk.
Okay, please add a little bit of milk, not too much. I want the coffee to be brown, not white.
Understood. Coffee with sugar and a splash of milk. Anything else to drink?
Actually, I am very thirsty. The coffee is hot, but I'm thirsty for something cold.
I can bring you a glass of water.
Is the water free?
Yes, the water is free.
Okay, 1 glass of water, please.
Now, are you hungry? Do you want to eat?
Yes, I am hungry. My stomach is making noise. Can you hear it?
No, I cannot hear it. But tell me, what do you want to order for food?
I am looking at the menu again. I see cake, I see sandwiches, I see soup.
The tomato soup is very good.
No, soup is too hot. I want a sandwich. I will order the sandwich. Please make sure there are no onions.
No onions, no problem. So 1 coffee, 1 water, 1 sandwich.
That is correct. Oh, waiter,
Yes, madam?
this table is a little dirty. Can you clean it?
I am so sorry. Let me get my cloth. Wipe, wipe, wipe. Is the table clean now?
Yes, thank you. And I dropped my spoon. I need a new spoon.
Here is a clean spoon for your coffee.
And I need a napkin. I might make a mess with the sandwich.
Here are 2 napkins, 1 for your lap, 1 for your hands.
Thank you, waiter. You are very kind.
Okay, pretend you ate the food. Num num num.
Okay, I finished eating. It was very good. I am not hungry anymore. I am not thirsty anymore. Waiter, can I have the bill?
You mean the receipt? The paper with the total?
Yes, the receipts or the bill, same thing, right?
Yes, here is the receipt.
Let me look at the total. $11.50.
That is correct.
Okay, let me find my wallet.
Where is your wallet? Is it in the bag?
Yes, I'm looking in my bag again. Past the charger. Ah, here is my wallet. It is red.
Nice wallet.
I am opening the wallet. Here is a $20 bill.
Thank you. Here is your change.
Keep the change. It is a tip.
Oh, thank you. You are a very good customer.
And you are a very good waiter, Ben.
That was a good practice. Look, your phone.
What?
The battery. It is green now. It is 50%.
Great. And look, I have a new message.
A message? Who is it from?
It is from the library. It says, closing time in 10 minutes.
Oh no, we have to pack up.
Quick, get your charger, get your bag, pushing your chair.
I'm hurrying.
See you tomorrow, Ben.
Did you understand the conversation? Ben and Lisa practiced a lot of English.
They did, and Lisa found her charger just in time. Now let's look at our mind maps to remember the 30 key words.
Map 1. Tech words. First, let's look at the technology words. Repeat after me.
Application, screen, button, click, voice, listen.
Speak, mistake, correct. Internet, message.
Battery, charger, Wi-Fi, password.
Map 2. Cafe words. Now the cafe words. Ready?
Coffee, menu, price, order, waiter.
Table, chair, thirsty, hungry, sugar.
Milk, spoon, napkin, wallet, receipt.
Please write your answer in the comments below. What is your favorite coffee order?
Use English if you can, but even a few words are fantastic. We read as many as we can, and we always give hearts. And while you're there, if you haven't already,
Please subscribe to our channel. Hit that subscribe button and the little bell icon so you never miss a lesson.
now listen to this song to help you remember forever.
Thanks for watching Joseph's Easy English. See you next time.
Open the application, look at the screen, find the green button, you know what I mean. Just click it once, use your voice and speak. Listen to the audio, don't be weak. Did you make a mistake? It's okay to correct. Connect to the internet, show some respect. Type the password, get the Wi-Fi fast. Send a message now, have a blast. My battery is low, I need power to flow. Where is my charger? Let's go, go, go. Easy English, learning is fun. Step by step, one by one. Tech and coffee, me and you. Learning words that are brand new. Sit at the table, sit on the chair. Call the waiter, excuse me, over there. Look at the menu, look at the price. Order a coffee, oh, it smells nice. I am thirsty, I am hungry too. Sugar and milk, just a little will do. Stir with the spoon, don't make a mess. Use a napkin to clean your dress. Take out your wallet, pay for the treat. Don't forget to take the receipt. Click the button, sip the coffee. English is easy, listen to me.